Howdy howdy. Today we are going to connect our tablet to our DJI Spark remote control. We have two cables. One is our USB-C cable. One is our on-the-go cable. Yours is a black on-the-go cable. We're going to take the two big USB ends. We're going to connect them together. We're going to take the long cable that goes into the tablet, the bottom here. Then the on-the-go cable side is going to go into the bottom of the controller. Yours is going to face in the right direction. Then from here, we're going to turn our controller on, and our app should open up. So let's turn it on. We're going to push the button and then hold it down. And see the lights move across the board. It's going to beep. If the controller is already turned on and you plug it in the tablet, it should launch the app automatically since we've already used your DJI Go app. So be patient, sometimes it takes a moment. So this is taking a little bit longer than I would have expected. So I'm going to unplug it and we'll plug it back in. Alright, let's see if that opens up the app for us. There we go, app is starting to open. Now, what I want to do, I'm going to turn my Spark on. Same way we turn all the devices on. You push it once, you push it a second time and hold it down for 2 to 3 seconds. Our app should then tell us when we are connected. Go fly. So we're waiting for go fly. I don't know if you can see this. Pick it up. We've got our lights blinking yellow. That means we're not connected to anything. So we'll give it a moment and see. Oh, there it went. You'll see our lights are at a blinking, slow blinking yellow. I'm going to say ignore. This is Precise Fly database. I'm going to tell it ignore. It wants to update it. I don't want to. Now, our app is telling us go fly. So, I'm going to hit that button. It's going to bring us into our app. This window is telling me that my Wi-Fi on the device is weak. I don't care. I'm going to hit OK. I've been opened up into a settings box. I'm going to turn that off. So we've set the Spark on the bed of the truck. As you can see, the lights are blinking red and yellow. Show you the app here. In the top left corner, we're going to calibrate. As you can see, in calibration mode for your compass, you get a solid yellow. So I'm going to step back from the truck and we are going to start the calibration process, which you are going to turn the Spark 360 degrees until the light changes to a green. Here we've got our green. Let's turn it sideways and do another 360. Okay, our calibration failed. Let's hit the button again and try it again. So let's see if we can do it correctly this time. Let's go the other direction for giggles. Alright, there's my green. Go this way. There we go. We've successfully calibrated. Our lights are blinking green. That means we are ready to go. On the app, you're gonna see this page here. Top left corner says GPS mode, means you're ready to fly. It even tells you ready to go. So that is how we connect our Spark to our app. So let's see if I can do this real quick before it gets too dark. We've made a little clip for this guy. So I'm going to put this over here because it doesn't like the compass calibration right there. Alright, let's see if we can do this. Just going to arm myself here with my flight vest. Let's do this. But I suggest doing some little skills to test out your flying. It gets you a lot better at controlling the bird and keeping its direction, and you'll get real comfortable at using it, so that way when you get into a hairy situation somewhere along the line, you're pretty safe. So I hope you enjoyed. Maybe I'm being attacked by bugs. Maybe you watch again if I do another video, but make sure to turn your controller off. I've already turned the bird off, as you see, no blinky lights. And enjoy, fly safely. And I suggest flying in your backyard, small areas.